Instead of resting after his big win, Costa Constantinides spent Wednesday morning thanking voters for believing in him.
The voters have overwhelmingly given us this mandate, and very grateful for their support, and looking forward to making them proud.
Constantinides has lived in Astoria his whole life, and as he walked down his street, he says he feels humbled to represent this neighborhood. He carried more than 65% of the vote to fill the open 22nd district seat. For the first time in decades, this district will be represented by someone who is not a member of the Vallone family. Constantinides says the Vallones have served the area with distinction, and he's excited to carry the torch.
We need to accelerate school construction and get our kids out of trailers. We need to keep our streets safe, and thing that has been talked about very much lately, make sure that we keep our streets clean.
Over in the 30th District Southwestern Queens, Councilwoman Elizabeth Crowley congratulated Constantinides. She easily defeated her GOP challenger by nearly 20%.
I think it's a clear message. This district was a conservative district. I'm the first Democrat to be elected and re-elected, and before me it was conservative area. So I think that they look at the person they're voting for.
And now that she's returning to the council, Crowley is laying out her agenda for the coming term.
There's so much more we'd still like to do, whether it's improving local transportation, access to women's health care. There's so many needs that our community still has.
Both Crowley and Constantinides say they look forward to working together at City Hall. They say it's a new era, and they're energized to work with a new mayor and a new speaker. In Queens, Agnes Chung, New York 1.